Hello mga kakuda! Hello guys! So we are on our 19th week. So before anything else, I would like to do a public service reminder. So guys, if you need to go outside, so the important thing you need to do is to wear your mask and then you wear your face shield all the time, okay? So wag nyo silang tatanggalin kasi that's the number one weapon against COVID-19. And the spread of COVID-19, we can stop it just by wearing yung mask and then yung face shield properly, okay? So all the time when you're outside your homes, wear them, okay? So before proceeding dun sa house tour update, shout out nga pala kay Justin Kep, belated happy birthday! Hi Carl Custodio. They're now in Clark City, the amazing, the smart city yata ng Philippines. Taray! Ay, ka na. Proceed na tayo sa house update. Eto guys, we're here in the house right now. We're in Santana Village. I'm all alone because I didn't ask my love, si Dwayne, to go with me. He's staying in his apartment to prevent nga yung spread ng COVID-19, okay? So let's all do our part, reducing the number please, okay? That's why I'm doing the house update tour alone this week, okay? Hopefully, next week kasama ko na si my love, okay? Let's go inside. So eto na yung outside. Ayan na siya. Meron na siyang pintura from outside. Ayan na siya. So ayan, gray yung pintura ng bakod at black yung fence. And then we'll go here. Ayan yung space sa labas. Medyo nagki-clear up na siya. Since they are almost done. Oh my God! Ayan yung fence inside. I don't know kung magiging white and gray talaga siya or gray katulad ng nasa labas. I think baka white and gray na nga siya. Ayan, tingnan muna natin yung likod. Ayan, spacious pa actually sa gilid. And then sa harap. Parang nandito na sila sa portion ng likod. Kasi nandito yung scaffolding. Ano na kayang plano dun sa yung plano sa tangke. So ayan, ito yung entrance, service entrance from the back. Ayan. So, pasok na tayo dun. Tingnan natin kung anong progress sa inside. If you can notice, hindi naman masyadong malala yung mga progress kasi unti-unti na siyang matatapos. So, ayan na yung labas. We'll go inside. Ayan na. Woo! Tadan! Ayan na yung island. Ayan na siya. It's the same from last week. So, ayan. Ang bago. Oh my God! Ayan na yung mga kitchen cabinets. One new progress is this one. Yung island natin. Ayan na guys. It's kind of small pero tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari ang ending. And then eto na, nasa part na siya ng kitchen cabinets na yung inaaurahan. That one, no, see. Ayan, puntaan natin siya dun. So at least may space pa from here. Ay, hindi nga kalakihan talaga dapat yung dining. Ito na yung dining area guys. From here, you can, from the stairs, there's the dining area. Yan o, yung may, yan. So, it's, hindi din sobrang luwag. So, pwede na, hindi din sobrang sikip. So, ayan. So, there, the cabinets. So, mukha naman pala siyang malaki siguro pag tinapos. Yung tiny countertop, kitchen countertop, ayan. So, ayan siya. It's okay, microwave ko dyan. Ay, ano ito? Ano yan? So, ito yung ref kung saan siya ilalagay. May bago ba dito? Wala, ganun pa din yung toilet. Siya pa din. Same as last week, guys. So, ayan. So, let's go upstairs kung may ganap. Actually, mukha naman ding decent size yung kitchen island. So, from there, may overhang siya, guys. Alam na kung anong gagawin dyan. So, let's go upstairs. The tour is kind of quiet because I'm doing it alone. Wala tayong mga etsoserang kuwadera. Ako lang ang kumukuda. So, kuda. Ayan na. So, may door na yung isa sa mga bathrooms. There. So, ayan siya. Kompleto na yung doors dito. Room number 1 sa second floor. The bathroom. And then, syempre, yung room ni Jordan. So, we'll see inside kung wala naman na yatang progress dito. Ito, it's clean. Aha, may screen na siya. Here's the screen, oh. Oh, guys, ayan. Oh, you can easily open and close it. I think, baka pwede na tayong maglipat ng paunti-unting gamit and then we'll lock it sa isa sa mga rooms, no? Okay, that's done. Let's see the toy. Aha. Ay, same as last week. Pero yung ilaw dito nakabukas. Ayan. Okay. So that's it. Sa kwarto ni Jordan, there's the screen na. Ayan. Oh my God! Protected na kami sa mga etsoserang lamok. Ayan! Oh, see, may screen windows na. Window screens, ganyan. So, as usual, here's the view. I like the view. Oops! Ayan. We'll go inside the... I saw something in the master suite bathroom, so I won't show it yet because it's a surprise. So, sinilip ko na siya. So, as you can see, ito yung entrance sa toilet. Ayan. Yung surprise sa toilet, it needs to have its own reveal kasi isa sa mga pangarap namin yan ni My Love, okay? So, we'll show it once it's ready and then finish, okay? So, for now, lalaktawan muna natin siya. Ako muna ang sisilip. Oh my God! Okay. Interesting. Bongga. So, eto, may screen na din. Sino na yun? Kuya Romel! I'm all by myself. Katakot magsilabas-labas. In fairness, meron. Ay, Kuya Ramel, anong plano dun sa mga tangke? Napicture na ba yan? Yung loob? Pengi ako, please. Kamusta?
Ayos naman, sir.
Busy-busy, ah. Anong stressful? Stressful na magandang ano? Or...
Yes, sir. Positive naman.
Positive, okay. Ayan. Si Kuya Romel, si Engineer Romel, bumibisi na siya ng bongga. Medyo stressed na siya pero in a good way. Ganun pa din. Ang nadagdag puro may screen na, no?
Almost 95.
95, okay.
Yung painting works natin.
Okay. Yung gate natin na bakod sa inside, white na yan o i-gray pa yan?
Ano po?
Yung fence. White lang yan, no? Tama ba?
ito sir.
Oo.
Lang, sir.
Okay. Ayan. Oh, kaya mo pa ba, Kuya Romel, kung may mga projects pang papasok? Oh, ayan, kaya pa ha. You can still contact Engineer Romel Baraquiel. I'll post his number again para sa may mga gusto pang magpa-quote, magpagawa. Siyempre dapat pagawa, no, Kuya Romel? Magpa-plot ng plano at magpagawa. Go tayo sa baba. Sige na, Kuya, ikaw naman. Shy type ka. Pababa na kami. Tinanong ko, Kuya Romel, yung sa occupancy permit, parang 90% and up, pwede na pag magpa-check. So, basta sabi niya, livable na. O, sabi ng Pag-ibig, sabi ko, pwede na eh. So, yun. Sana.
Eh, sir. Okay ba sa inyo, sir? Ilan ang kulay ng natin? Sa labas lang, sir.
Okay. And we're done with the 19th week na, no, Kuya Romel? So, next week, 20th na tayo. 5 months na. Oo. Tama, 5 months na, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share kung trip nyong i-share, okay? Until next week, we'll be on our 5th month na ng house tour update. Ayan si Kuya Romel, medyo nagtataka siya kung 20th na natin. Ha? 16? Ano na ba? Ganun. Oh, basta yung pin-progress namin ng weekly. Iba pala yung construction calendar ni Kuya Romel. Okay? Bye, guys!